So hey everyone, real quick, Mike's Minutes. Something I just noticed and found and was able to confirm and found was that on Inventor, AutoCAD, Vault, so far that I've tested, that if you're double clicking on a file from Explorer, you'll see an issue or delay if you have Microsoft Update KB4571756. Once again, Microsoft Update that just came out around September 6th to the 10th area, KB4571756. So once again, if you're trying to double click open a file from Explorer, you'll see a delay. However, if you try to open that same file from within the software itself, no issues at all. If you remove that update, it doesn't have any problems after that either. So I just wanted to give a quick Mike's Minute and share that news that if you're having a delay in AutoCAD, Inventor, Vault, or some of these others when you double click a file, check to make sure you don't have KB4571756 installed on your PC. Talk to you soon.